All right, so there it is in a nutshell. The access hole for the fuel pump. The sender will be here, look just like this, but the hat will be raised. Then this is the wiring location that I chose for the legacy fuel pump wiring. They'll have to be augmented for this wiring loom. I'll have to take it apart and add wiring for a couple of things. For one, this hooks to that. This is a switch wire. I bought some switches. And then this is the pump wiring for a 94 to 97. There'll be a relay that wires into this. Lots of work to do. But this wiring will loom into this wire, the same rough setup. I'll come up with a way to join these together, or mainly just get this wiring out of the car through that same hole here. I might end up drilling into this grommet here to have an extra set of wires. Two sets actually. One switch for the momentary use of the old pump to clean the tank out of fuel, and one switch for, or pardon me, one pair of wires will go directly to this fuel hat that's going underneath here. So and then finally, not shown in this video, is that's where the battery's going to sit, right there. At least that's where I'm planning on putting it. So pretty pleased with the trunk. Given that this car was not exactly show quality, to have, you know, a trunk that's this cleaned up and sturdy, because that hat, not only does it allow me access this hatch area here to the sender fuel hat area, it also is stronger by far than the original trunk area. So anyways,